Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, teacher is going to share with you what are sentences. This is the portion in your book for the grammar. Okay? Now here comes, children, the definition of sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words. When you say Ram is playing, so there are how many words in this sentence? Three. Ram is playing. So when I say Ram is playing, it's making a complete sense as the definition says. Ram is playing. If I say playing is Ram, it's wrong. Okay? And it expresses the thought. What do we mean by expressing the thought? Whatever you think about someone or whatever you want to express when you speak to someone, it means expressing the thoughts. As you say, I love my mother, I love my father. Okay, so in this way you are expressing the feelings for your parents as to you love your mother or father. Okay, so a sentence is complete when it is a group of words and you are able to express your things completely and it is understandable to others are able to understand as to what you want to say. Now see, children, here for A, what have I written? The boys. I have written only the boys. So only writing the boys, does it make any sense? No, it's wrong. When we say the boys playing, is it correct? No, it is also wrong. But when we say that the boys are playing in the park, it's a correct sentence. That's what makes complete sense. Okay? The first two group of words, the first two group of words A and B do not make complete sense. The third group of words makes the complete sense. Okay, children? So very carefully see. Here the first group is the boys, second sentence is the boys playing. So here it is not a complete sentence. The boys, only saying the boys is no meaning. The boys playing, no meaning. Okay, we are supposed to use is or are. So here in the third sentence you can say that the boys are playing in the park. So this becomes a complete sentence. Okay, so while solving the worksheets, please go through the slides very carefully. Okay. Now, there are certain rules which you need to follow while making sentences. When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentences like Sita, a good girl. Something is missing here. What is missing is, and when you add is here, then it becomes a correct sentence. So, Sita is a good girl is incorrect and Sita is a good girl is correct. Okay, because you have added is, as I have told you before also, that without adding is or we cannot make a sentence. The second thing to make a note of is that when we write a sentence, we start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. You can see Ram. Ram, R is capital and it ends with a full stop. Okay. So now this becomes a complete sentence. Ram is a good boy. Okay. Rules once more I'll revise. When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sense. Sita, a good girl. It's wrong. Sita is a good girl is correct. When we write a sentence, we start with capital letter and end with the full stop. As you can see in the example, for Ram, R is capital and at the end of the sentence, I have put a full stop. Here are a few more examples. There is blue sky. The is blue sky. It's absolutely wrong. The sky is blue is correct. Okay, you can see in the picture the sky is blue. The milk drinking is cat. Doesn't make any sense. The cat is drinking milk. So, can you see, children, how the cat is drinking milk? The playing are children. No, it's wrong. The children are playing because you're supposed to use is or are in the given sentences. So please make a note of it. Do not make a sentence without using is or are. Okay? I hope, children, you must have understood the concept of sentences as to how the which kind of sentences make complete sense. Now, here I have given you some sentences and you have to solve these sentences in your notebook. One or two I'll solve for you. What I have given here is put a tick mark for the correct sentences and cross for the incorrect sentences. Hari is a good boy. So it's correct. You are going to put a tick mark because it is a full statement. Hari is a good boy. The dog is barking. It's correct. Who you? Who you? It's wrong because there is no full stop, there is no question mark, there is no is are used in the sentence. In the same way, children, you have to do the further sentences. So please do all this in your notebook where you have been doing the homework. Okay, children, so here I have given you certain sentences. Rearrange the jumbled sentences. Smiling, the people are. The people are smiling. The answer will be the people are smiling. Okay. Hungry she is hungry. So in this manner you are supposed to do the jumbled sentences. You have to rearrange them in the proper form and see to it that it's a complete sentence and makes complete sense. Kindly do all the work in your notebook where you have been doing the English homework. Okay, children, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.